How do you pronounce this word? The word is pronounced. I'm bad at naming things. I don't want to work on Hostile Takeover injury system. I've been trapped in your basement for 3 months and I'd rather do other things such as working on the bowtoad trials featuring TimTom95 and GnomGray. Furthermore, the inventory system is incredibly boring and I do not wish to work on it. But that's enough of that. It's time for me to move on from this inventory development and my digital alarm clock-like module. This has been Plasmacticus, a.k.a. Plasma. Thanks for listening to my story and reading this response, and hopefully be my last time ever signing up from the Hostile Takeover Injury System cult community. If it is alongside the inventory even manages to recover from this. May your future shine brighter than before, my friends. See you on the flip side. Peace out. Plasmacticus, Plasmacticus. Hostile Takeover, co-owner, and... okay. Oh yeah, and there's one last thing for the HD team to clear up. Thanks for whoever within the HD team sent me these images of the upcoming dungeon. Just kidding, I'm not leaking anything. Thanks for watching this video. To learn how to pronounce this word, please comment down any words you want me to pronounce.